everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the latest edition of the Olight Warrior series, the Warrior Ultra. Olight makes a huge array of lights. It has dual switches and a great beam profile for tactical use. It's built for reliability, designed for performance, and made to last. Let's walk through what it offers. Warrior Ultra comes in Olight's fancier packaging. It's a high-quality box of thick cardboard with a smooth white wrap. Okay, so what's inside? The flashlight main, holster, MCC, 3 magnetic USB charging cable, manual user guide, safety card, and README card. The Warrior Ultra has a futuristic, edgy look to it. Crafted from premium O-Aluminium or OAL, Olight's own proprietary high-grade aluminum alloy material coated with Type 3 hard anodization in OD green, covering most flashlight parts, excluding the tail switch and bezel. Olight claims O-Aluminium is twice as hard as 6061 aluminum alloy. The finish is hard anodized, which adds extra resistance against scratches and wear. The body features a knurled texture with an aggressive jagged bezel design for self-defense and glass-breaking facility for emergency and tactical situations. The flashlight is textured with raised dots, and the tail switch provides a better grip, ensuring secure operation while offering a comfortable touch. That gives you a secure grip even if your hands are wet or gloved. First off, I'll mention the pocket clip. The reversible S-shaped pocket clip that's already installed is very good and allows for a deep carry bezel up. The clip is long and well-suited for carry, so you can still use it to carry downward or upward, whatever you like. You can attach it to your belt, pack, or pocket without a second thought. The build quality of the Warrior Ultra is excellent with an aluminum construction and an IPX8 waterproof rating. The flashlight is capable of head and tail standing. There's a nylon pouch too, which is quite nice. The holster is amazing. If you need that bezel up to carry the pocket clip doesn't provide, then attach this pouch to your belt. The Warrior Ultra will fit into the pouch. The pouch opens not with Velcro, but with a little quick release. At first, I unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulating film from the flashlight. Warrior Ultra comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour, 21,700 lithium-ion, large-capacity rechargeable battery that provides a maximum runtime of up to 55 days in moonlight mode. There are 2 switches on the Olight Warrior Ultra flashlight, which can be used independently and interchangeably. First is the metal tail switch, which also is used in charging. Next is the side switch. This switch on the side of the head is flat and pleasantly large. You can use the tail switch and side switch to activate the light, while the side switch can toggle between 5 modes and the tail switch only 2. Both switches work differently. The tail switch has 2 menu configurations besides being a unique 2-stage switch. The default configuration is the half-press first stage for medium and the half-press second stage for turbo. The side switch has a flat rubber boot that sits inside a retaining ring. The retaining ring has 2 sets of 4 LED indicators on it. The 4-level battery and bright green LED indicators around the side switch keep you informed of its real-time status. This is a great feature. The left side indicates mode, and the right side indicates battery level or charging capacity. Not only will you be able to tell which brightness level the flashlight is working on, but you will also be informed when the flashlight needs charging. It's a good switch and I like it. The Olight Warrior has multiple output modes. From low light to turbo, you get full control, boasting an impressive 2,500 lumen output and 26,000 candelas on turbo mode. It illuminates distances of up to 320 meters. That's more than enough for most tasks. Whether you're checking a dark attic or lighting up a trail at night, it performs. The low mode gives you just 15 lumens, ideal for close work without glare. It also includes a strobe mode. It's intended for signaling or self-defense, easy to access through the side button. The triple click of the side switch will activate the strobe mode. A double click of the side switch will activate turbo mode. As mentioned, the Warrior Ultra has Olight's proprietary magnetic tail cap onboard charging via a USB-A to a magnetic connector system. A USB-A charging cable is included that magnetically snaps onto the tail cap of the light. A red charging LED underneath the lid comes on when you insert the torch and turns green when the torch is fully charged. It's easy to see, but it's a little too bright to have on your nightstand at night. The beam is fairly nice. There's a well-defined hotspot in the center with a wide spill that doesn't have a hard cutoff. Olight uses luminous SFT70X emitter. Whatever is used has no dome, so the throw should be good. The SFT70X is now a well-known cold white LED without a dome in the 6V class and is currently frequently installed in flashlights with a long range and high luminous flux at the same time. Warrior Ultra includes an auto-dimming proximity sensor at the front of the light, the little black cutout. On turbo or high modes, this sensor automatically dims the brightness when the torch is close to nearby objects, preventing overheating and accidental issues. If that lasts for 1 minute, the light will turn itself off. Whether you are working in close quarters or illuminating tight areas, the proximity sensor includes an extra layer of protection without compromising performance. This torch includes a lockout function to prevent accidental activation. This feature is especially useful for maintaining the rechargeable flashlight in an off state while in transit or storage, ensuring power conservation for when it's needed most. The flashlight tail cap with a strong magnetic base allows you to turn a normal carry torch into a posable directed work light in mere seconds. Extending the light's functionality, the magnet can be attached to metal surfaces for hands-free use. Simply attach the light to a metal surface, such as a car body or a knife blade, to light up the area hands-free. The Olight Warrior Ultra isn't complicated. It doesn't try to be. It delivers steady performance, strong design, and practical features. It's a tool you can count on when light matters. The magnetic charging, rugged compact aluminum body, and waterproof rating make it suitable for daily use and critical moments alike. Let me know in the comments how you'd use it. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.